Hi, ma'am. Do you study here?
Yes, I study here.
Oh, okay. Is it okay to interview you for a moment, or are you busy?
Yes, it's fine. I think I still have time before the start of my next class. I can give you a minute tour if you want.
Yes, that would be great.
Come on.
Can I ask you for your name first?
My name is Joyce Sanas de la Cruz.
So, Joyce, what is your course here at Bicol University?
So I'm currently taking BS Accountancy and I'm actually on my second year here. This is the Daraga campus of Bicol University. In total, Bicol University has 7 campuses scattered across Bicol. The 2 are in Legazpi, with the West Campus, which is the main campus, and the East Campus. The others are scattered in Tabaco, Pinubatan, Pulangi, here in Daraga, and Sorsogon.
This is a nice campus you have here.
Thank you. I actually think so too.
Where exactly is it located?
So, Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management is located within the commercial center of Daraga Albay. So, upon leaving this campus, you can find drugstores, fast food chains, educational supply store, department store. So, anything you could possibly need is just a few steps away.
What are the courses that students may choose from in this campus?
So, in BUCBM, you can choose between economics, entrepreneurship, financial management, microfinance, operations management, human resource, and of course, our very own Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So there are many options for your business-minded self.
So, among all those options, why did you choose accountancy?
I chose accountancy because I just really like dealing with finances and math. But that's just my reason. I know that it's different for every student. You know what? Actually, Josh, I have a question for you. Why did you choose BS Accountancy?
For clout, char. Kidding aside, I really chose this course because I want to fulfill my mom's dream for me, which is to become a CPA lawyer in the future.
What are the most challenging aspects of the accountancy program?
Oh, it's the retention policy. That's the most pressuring thing in BSA. We need to get at least a grade of 2.4 for us to be safe from comprehensive exams and, or worse, from repeating that subject.
What keeps you motivated to move forward?
My dreams for myself and for my family.
How about you, ma'am? What do you plan to be?
As I am studying accountancy, I plan to be an accountant. CPA kung makapasa CPA din.
What are you looking forward to in the future?
A healthy, happy, and successful. I want to do whatever I want to do, and I want to enjoy working as an accountant. I'm going to the JP office right now to meet my friend Francine. If you want to know more about activities of accountancy students, she's the one for the job. Go. So this is my friend Francine. If you want to know more about the JPN activities, I'll let you accompany her. Bye!
Do you still have time for extracurricular activities?
Yes, I make time for it.
Are you currently part of any accounting-related clubs or organizations?
I am a member of BUJP. So here is the office of BUJP.
Have you made any connections with accounting professionals at school events?
There were several networking opportunities. In Orgullo 2022, for instance, we met successful Sipale passers and accounting professionals, and we gained inspiration from their testimonials and uplifting stories.
What other benefits have you gained from JPS programs or events?
I had the chance to take a break, gain practical experience, forge meaningful connections, and grow as a person. So all in all, it was a valuable supplement for classroom learning.
Last question. What advice would you give to students planning to take BSA at Bicol University?
Well, accounting really isn't a walk in the park. Hard work and perseverance are all you need to drive. So put your fears and doubts aside because we cannot wait to have you join our department.
Yay, that's it for our interview. Thank you so much for lending us your time.
Thank you, bye.